Hey everyone, welcome to Simplilearn's YouTube channel, and in this session, we will try to delete a row in SQL. But before we begin, let me tell you guys that we have daily updates on multiple technologies, and if you are a tech geek in a continuous hunt for latest technological trends, then consider getting subscribed to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to never miss an update from Simplilearn. Now without further ado, let's get started. How do you delete a row in SQL? Let's quickly take a look at the syntax. So we will be using the delete keyword and the from keyword, adding the table name and giving a where clause with a user-defined condition. So this will be a basic syntax for the process of deleting a single row in the SQL table. Now, to understand in a much better way, let's get back to the SQL workbench. So now we are on the SQL workbench, and previously we tried to create a table, add some data using the insert command, and update a value using the update command. Now let's say we have to delete the last row, which is 1006 Jeremy Hyderabad. Let's say Jeremy found a new job in a new organization, and now you need to eliminate his credentials from your database. So we will be using the following code, that is delete from, table name is employee table, and the where clause, now the condition, which is empid is equals to 1006. Now let's try to run the code. There you go. The employee is being eliminated from that particular database. Now let's try to recheck the table. So select star from employee table, run the code, and there you go. The last ID, which was 1006, has been eliminated from your database. And that's how you delete a row in SQL. And with that, we have come to an end of this session. If you have any queries regarding this session, then please do let us know in the comment section below, and our team of experts will be more than happy to resolve all your queries at the earliest. Until next time, thank you, stay safe, and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.